Hi guys, let's make some delicious herb salmon. Here's what you'll need. We're going to start by washing and peeling our potatoes, then cut them into even pieces. Place them in a heavy bottom pot, fill it with just enough water to cover, and some garlic cloves if you want, and then we're going to bring that to a boil until the potatoes are fork or knife tender. Drain your potatoes, and we are going to melt some butter, then add our potatoes and garlic cloves. I don't have a potato masher, so I'm just using a whisk. Remove the clumps and let the heat from the pan steam any excess moisture from the potatoes. Once the mashed potatoes are smooth or smooth enough, we are going to add in heavy cream or milk if you'd like, some garlic powder, seasoned salt, and pepper. I'm adding a little sour cream for some twang. Do what you'd like. Of course, parsley makes an appearance because who doesn't love specks of green? Now for the salmon, you just want to move it from the outer packaging, any visible bones that you can see, and also pat it dry. Patting it dry will help us get a nice sear versus, steamed skin. Liberally coating both sides of the salmon, and I'm seasoning it with salt, pepper, Herbs de Provence. This was not inspired by Darius Cooks, I must clarify that. I first had salmon with Herbs de Provence from Aldi and it was delicious, except they added a little sugar to it and I didn't really like that. I didn't find it necessary because the flavors were already balanced, so I decided to recreate it here today with this meal. Pop it into a preheated oven. You're gonna go for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now for my asparagus, I want to snap off the dead ends. Each stalk is different, so that's why I didn't just cut off the bottoms on all of them, because each piece is different. Now after I blanched the asparagus until they're bright green, I strained the water, let it steam off a little bit, added a little bit of spray avocado oil, a big pat of grass-fed butter, saute that around. Then I added my seasoning. This is my shit, okay? The seasoning is what makes asparagus and green beans what they are. And I added a little bit of toasted sliced almonds, and that's all she wrote. Enjoy!